guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ansita Lewis and I hope you guys are doing lovely. So for today's video, we are going to do a summer look. This is the look that I came up with and I have created for you guys. This is a perfect summer look. If you want your makeup to be intact, keep watching. Do not miss out on this video. Trust me guys, very easy makeup that will help your makeup last. I will give you all the tips, tricks, techniques on how to set your makeup, how to do a proper base that will help you stay for a longer time in this summer, that will beat the summer. So guys, even though it's summer, even though it's winter, we still have to look beautiful. So without further ado, let's quickly move into the video. And hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe my channel if you haven't already. Let's quickly dive into the video. I intended to make this makeup because I personally face a lot of issues when it comes to summer. So without further ado, let's quickly start. I've not put any makeup on my face. I'm going to start with moisturizer, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. So let's begin with moisturizing our face. Ooh, this looks so good, you guys, trust me. This is infused with hyaluronic acid, so that's great for my skin as well. It instantly gave me that hydration and does not feel oily at all, you guys. Once I'm done with my moisturizer, I will go ahead with a sunscreen. Since this is a summer look, guys, do not forget your sunscreen. I'm using the Dot & Key Skincare Watermelon Cooling Sunscreen. See? By the way, guys, I don't use the 3-finger, 2-finger rule when it comes to sunscreen. I just apply it all over my face like this and I blend it out and I massage it into my skin like so, but I don't use the rules. I don't know why I was blending from just one hand, by the way. And don't forget your neck, guys. Sunscreen should be applied everywhere. If you're someone who's struggling with a proper sunscreen, a good sunscreen, try this one. This is non-sticky. See, it's not even sticky. So it's great. It's good. So we're done with the proper face prep. Let's move forward with primer. If you want your summer makeup to have that grip, you need some kind of primer. May it be any kind of primer that suits your skin type. I am using the Insight Long Lasting Oil Free Primer. I use products that are mostly oil free because of my skin type, but honestly you can use whichever product that suits you the best. Someone who's just going to office or colleges or regular days, you can definitely skip foundations. But if you are someone who enjoys wearing foundation, I highly recommend the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. You can use this even for a function. This is because this has buildable coverage. If you are someone who wants to have the full blown effect, then I would recommend two foundations, one being MAC, another Charlotte Tilbury. Whichever works best for you, you can try. Both of these are good. They are high-end products, I know, but both of them are really good foundation. For color correction, since I have a little bit of pigmentation, I like to go ahead and use a color corrector. The reason why I'm choosing this in general is because this is very lightweight. So this will do the job. It'll fix your pigmentation and stuff, and it will not leave your base cakey also. It's very easy to blend. Try a bit where you think you need and blend it out with your fingers. So guys, tell me what's up. I hope you guys liked my last previous video. I would love to know more about you guys. Leave your comments and your thoughts down in the comment section. I want to know more about you guys. I want to know where you guys are from, what you do, what you want to know more about me. I'm so thankful for all the guys who subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I wouldn't be here making videos if it weren't for you guys. Forward with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. I'm using a flat fluffy brush like this. You can use any brush that's flat and fluffy and just blend it all in. I need a bit of foundation because this is too glowy for me. Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220. I'll just take like 2 pumps of it, that's it, not much. To blend out the foundation here first and then like apply it like so. You see? So guys, this is how my face looks like currently. Concealer, today we'll use the e.l.f. concealer. I should have done my brows earlier, but I completely forgot. Okay guys, so tell me what's up with you guys, how you guys are doing, what's going on. in your life. How's everything going on? Today, I am going to use the Iconic London palette. Oh, this is so beautiful. So I'm going to mix this and this. Let's quickly give some definition to our face. If you are a beginner in contouring, trust me guys, there was a time where I also didn't know to contour, so it's okay. Just keep your hand like this and get the lift, or where your ear begins. So basically where your ear begins, my ear begins here and I started from here. That's how I do it. Just going to blend it. Oh yeah, this blends so beautifully though. Iconic London products are good. I like them. They blend beautifully though. So you can see I'm not even like taking much efforts in blending this product. Okay guys, so let's do blush. For blush, I'm using She Glam. It's a very nice subtle blush. Looks so cute. I like this. I like this blush a lot. It's pretty good. It's a very soft blush, you know. Brows, I'm going to use the NYX Brow Glue Gel as always. So I will quickly set my face. None other than the Fit Me powder. Just tap off the excess, press the product in. Try and set your makeup with the powder puff itself, so that if there is an excess product as well, it will be removed. The palette. So let's try this out. A flat fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the pink, place it on the outer corner of my eye like so. So as you can see, I'm just placing the product on the outer corner of my eyes. Use another fluffy brush and take the purple shade the corner of my eye like so. Doing now is I'm just placing the product on my eye. I'm not blending it. Take a fluffy brush and just blend it all in. This is the monochromatic look that I've created. Shade with a flat brush. Just take the product on the brush, and you can see there is a curving line right from here to here. There is a clear visible line, correct? So just follow that. Wow. That's it, and just blend it out a bit. You don't want much lines, so just blend it out. Let's actually take a blue liner. I'm coming a little closer to the screen so that you all can see better. So I'm starting from the mid of my eye. It does not has to be perfect. I'm going to give a bit of lift. Just take a rounded brush like so and blend off. This is how the eye has turned out. If you are not honestly going for a party or function, you can totally skip this. This is a totally optional part. I just wanted to complete the whole look together, so I created a monochromatic look. Completely skip it if you want. It's totally up to you. Let's move forward with eyelashes. I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Guys, let me know if you're interested in watching vlogs. I have a vlog ready, but I'm very contemplating that should I post it or no. If you guys will like it, do you guys want to watch? Do you want to watch like a day in my life? Please do let me know in the comment section below. I would love to make videos on your suggestions. So please do let me know. I'll gravitate more towards beauty, of course, but I would love to show you a day in my life. You know, I would love to just talk to you. I would love to answer your questions. If you have any questions about me and you know, how I live, what it is like, I would love to answer all of it for you guys. So please do not hesitate. Leave your questions down in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm really looking to grow on YouTube, and yeah, I post shorts very frequently. I am trying to be very frequent on YouTube with long form videos as well. I want to post more long form videos because I feel that's where I'll be able to build a connection with you guys. So do let me know. So I'm using a lip liner. This is the Essence lip liner. I'm going to use the MAC You Won't Get It lipstick. This is the perfect color for this summer, you guys. Okay guys, we're done with the makeup. Let's quickly set our face. I am setting my face with the Urban Decay All Night Setting Spray. Trust me guys, this is a good one. One size is also a good one. If you cannot get your hands on one size, try this. This is a very good spray in itself. Just, it helps you set your makeup really good, and the meltdown will not happen. Trust me guys. The steps that I've used, just try and use the steps, and you will not have like a meltdown, a full-blown meltdown, because I have had a full-blown meltdown. That's the worst. That's a girl's nightmare. This it, we come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like this video. I really want your support. And if you have any questions, if you want to know anything, please do not forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Would love for you guys to leave all your comments to know what you thought about this video. And I will see you soon, and I will be back with another video soon. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.